Hello once again everyone. Today I'm going to prepare a blueberry sauce for my blueberry frosting that I'm going to use over my lemon blueberry cake. So first, we're going to weigh our blueberries. I need 250 grams of blueberries. 0. Look. Okay. This is 0, so we have to put 250 grams of blueberries. Oops! Oh, kulang ng blueberry ko. So, I cannot make a full recipe of this one. Ang himuon ko na lang is half recipe. Anyway, I have only 12 cupcakes nga i-frost ko, no? So, instead of 250, himuon ko na lang siya nga 125. So, I'll make only half recipe of this one. Okay, 125. Okay, few more. One more, teeny weeny. Oops, maybe one. Yeah, see the last piece I took. 125. So I have here 125 grams of blueberries. So instead of 1/3 cup of sugar, I'll just use every ang 1/4 is 4 tablespoons. So I'll just use 3 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, so we're going to add sugar here. Since nga half recipe lang ang himuon naton, kay the whole recipe of this frosting uses 1/3 cup sugar. So dapat, since half lang, 1/6. And 1/3 cup of sugar is equivalent to 75 grams. So since half lang gamiton ko, I'm going to use now 37.5 grams. Amo inyang aton nga 1/6 cup or 3 tablespoons. Okay, 34. Oops, 34. Okay. 35, 37.5, 36. Oh, 40, 38. I'll just take a little. Yeah, it's okay. 38 grams, it's fine. Okay, then I'll add this. Okay, it's fine. And I'll just add, instead of a tablespoon of water, I'll just add half tablespoon of water. And I'll just mix it together and lutuon ko na ini siya over medium heat sa stove. Okay, let's cook this until sauce or consistency niya. Kinanlan na bantayan, hindi siya ko magluto kay ang sugar madali siya sunog. So you have to keep on stirring. Okay, the sugar starts to melt. And ang aton nga blueberries man naga soft na. See the color? Okay, we have to continue and hinaan talaga yung fire para hindi masunog ang sugar. Pag soft na ang blueberries, you can start pressing it. Ang recipe nga ini, pwede man ini siya i-topping sa cheesecake. Pero you have to add cornstarch. But this one, this is for frosting, and I'm going to add butter to this and condensed milk. So hindi ko kinahanglan magbutang sa cornstarch. See, look at the color. See how the color turned into this purple. Okay, so this is now our blueberry sauce, and this is your the perfect consistency na kinahanglan natin to add to our butter mixture. Pero kinahanglan na i-strain pa natin ini ha. This is not yet ready.
What?
So mo ni aton nga naluto ng blueberry sa sugar. We have to strain this now para nga ma-remove ang iyang mga skin. Okay, so transfer. Si puton ta kanugon. See? Alright. Mayroon lang kay white mo ba nahulog. Okay na, i-stir na natin ini. Ito na ang bottom. Check the bottom. Yay! Very thick na siya. Okay, Tapos, i-mix natin. Ini siya karon. Once it is already cooled, i-mix natin ini siya with the butter para makahimok kita sa aton nga blueberry frosting. Okay. Tara na. Ini, hindi tani pag-ihaboy kanugon. Ini, very rich. Ini siya sa antioxidant. Oh, look at this. I-keep ko ini siya. Karon, pag nagmerienda ako, I'm going to put it sa bread. Diba? May palaman ako sa bread. Blueberry fresh. Ginimo ko. Tapos, may fibers ako. And, antioxidant from this one. So, hindi ko na siya pag-ihaboy. Look at this. Instead of blueberry jam, ang atong nga blueberry may flavor. Okay, scrape nato ang bottom sining ato ng strainer para nga magamit nato initanan ng mga nabili na blueberry sauce. Ready na ini siya karon. Palamigon lang nato ni siya para nga hindi matunaw ang aton nga butter kung i-mix ta bala. Pero kinahanglan natin ito pagkili yung mga leftovers. Alright. Okay, see? Here's our sauce. Kita yung consistency. And the color. This color is very rich in antioxidant. See? Alright. See? This is now the consistency. Mag-thicker pa ini siya karon kung maglamig na siya. Ipinamig na. Nice! Excited ako mag-mix ini sa. Okay, we're going to prepare our blueberries frosting. May ari na kita diri subong blueberry sauce. Okay, which I need for that flavor. And I have here the butter. And I need 200 grams of condensed milk. I need 200 grams. Okay. I-measure kita anis ang ating condensed milk. Here's the condensed milk. Okay. So, I need 200 grams. Hinahinay lang pagbubo kay base pag sobra. 128, 32, 4, 56, 62, okay, 70, 80. Okay, we have 201 grams. Pwede na ina. May isa ka gram na sobra. Okay, so, ari na ako ng 200 grams or 201 grams ng condensed milk. Now, we're going to prepare the condensed milk, blueberry condensed milk frosting. I-hand mixer ko lang ini siya para makita ninyo yung itsura later on. Okay, so, now, I have here 250 grams of softened butter. Room temperature na ini siya. Room temperature na. I-hand mixer ko na lang. Hindi na kita sa diri magamit sang confectioner sugar or icing sugar kay magamit na kita sang condensed milk as a sweetener. So, see, this is the butter. And i-hand mixing ko na lang ini siya. Hand mixer ko na lang ini. I-ano ko ano ini siya. I-clean ko ang butter. Kung ang butter, hindi pa siya soft, nagandukot, kainin ko sa sa mixer, pero pag soft na siya, kanawan yung balao, nag-separate na siya, kay soft na siya, okay? So, we keep on mixing until maging creamy ang iyang consistency. Then, we will gradually add the condensed milk. Creamy na iyang consistency. Look. Yan, creamy na siya. So, okay. I'll just remove it this one from the sides para nga manami ang ato na mixing karon sang ato na condensed milk. Okay, see creamy na siya. O yan ang ato na butter. Okay, this is the consistency where we will add our condensed milk, pero gradually add lang the condensed milk. Okay, kung imo nga mixing bowl sinin di glass, malupad ini siya kung hindi mo paguyatan. But because I'm using a mixing bowl galing nga glass, so medyo heavy galing nga stable siya. One time nagimo ako sini nga ang gingamit ko ang mixing bowl kung bala metal na mag-an lang siya. So ginbuyan ko naglupad. So ini kay heavy, ini siya kay glass. So pwede mo na siya buyan mo na. Wait lang. Kay ini yung damo ang there's some condensed milk sa side, so why so na mix maayo. That we have to mix first. Okay, and ibutang na natin ito na. Right. Excited na ako kay Duga ang aton na blueberry sauce. Okay, kaya na-mix na natin. Ini siya mayo, no? So, hindi natin bukang natin ng blueberry sauce. Oh, so we'll mix this blueberry sauce. Yay! Delicious bala ini, especially nga ang imo ingredients fresh. Yan si puton tagid akan hugon. Okay, this is it. Mix pa natin. Kalangin. See the color? Nice. Kaya i-mix na bagit liwat. Kaya ang sides sinuway na mix mayo. Okay. And maging ready na siya para i-frosting natin. Let's try later on, probably if we can make also some flowers out of this. Or ordinary lang na piping. Let's see. Really excited. Ako lang mag-pino sa flowers out of this one. Pwede nyo siya siguro yung flowers ko lang. Ay ko pa, try nyo siya for flowers eh. Okay, ready na. This is now our blueberry flavored condensed buttermilk frosting. Condensed milk buttermilk frosting. Condensed milk buttermilk frosting. Ayan. Namin yung recipe kaya dito sa tama katamis. Magko-complement gid ang flavors ang aton nga lemon blueberry cupcakes diri. See. Hopefully this will be enough for 12 cupcakes. See, this is it. Delicious. Yummy. Ready now for frosting. Okay. Ito na mga ka-cupcakes. Amo na ini ang aton nga finished products ang aton nga lemon and blueberry cupcakes. Ginhimuan ko na ini na siya sang frosting. Kagin pagwapahan ko na ni siya. Look. Ginimuan ko na sa flowers. And ang recipe actually nga ginhimo natong supong was able to make up to 17 cupcakes. And ang frosting man nga ginhimo ko naka-frost man siya sang 17 cupcakes. So, isakto lang gid. See, look at this. See these cupcakes? And can you see the blueberry here? Look at the blueberry down. Nakita mainak siya. Amo na ini ang aton nga finished product sang aton nga lemon and blueberry cupcakes. So, if you have any questions regarding this recipe, please comment below the video. And I hope that ang video naton subong has given some information sa inyo kag sang knowledge regarding blueberries and frosting and making these cupcakes. Okay, until next video. Bake it till you make it.